Welcome to Module 5. My name is Kari. I'm a teaching assistant for Professor Whalen. This week our topic is gender sexuality in the PE classroom. An individual's gender can impact their experience in the PE classroom. As educators, we have an important role in creating environments that are not gender oriented. We know that the way we talk, the words that we use, and our body language all send a message about our belief system. Therefore, it's important to promote physical activity, not just for the natural athlete, but for every single student that we influence in our classroom. We want physical activity to be something that is positive and empowering for all of our students. During this module, we have 7 readings. The first reading is PE is Not for Me. That is a reading from a male's perspective. It was a 13-week study and looked at masculinity and the physical education classroom. The second reading is a glimpse of the constructs that contribute to the disempowerment of females in our school system. The third reading looks at literature on sexuality and education and looks at homosexual youth and victimization that occurs in the classroom and demonstrates ways that educators can provide sexual sensitivity or teach sexual sensitivity to students. The fourth, fifth, and sixth reading are from our textbook. There are 3 different chapters that we're looking at, and that focuses on how for girls and boys their physicality or their lack of physicality is displayed during team-based competitive games and on how uncomfortable that makes students feel. Our 7th reading is from the Michigan State Board of Education. It's the Statement and Guidelines on Safe and Supportive Learning Environments for Lesbians, Gays, Bisexual, Transgender, and Questioning Students. This document specifies recommendations for schools and for teachers to use to handle issues related to the LGBTQ students in the classroom, in the locker room, and during sports events. Your assignment for this week is to create an infographic. There's lots of instructions on the module for that. Your creativity is encouraged. There really isn't an exact right way to do this, so enjoy that component where you get to be a little creative. This process should be fun. A couple things to remember. Make sure that you cite one of these sources that I mentioned previously in your infographic, and make sure once you post it that you go back and you comment on 2 other students' infographics and provide some positive feedback from them. If you have any questions on this module, make sure you go to the Q&A and ask them. And I look forward to reading your modules and learning about what you've taken away from this assignment. Thanks.